I think the one-on-one coaching was phenomenal. It's the coachable things, it's the things that will get you to the next level of where you want to be. For me, it's like going to a football film session when I was in college. I mean, we'd have the game on Saturday, and Sunday we watched films and we watched how well we did. We were coached during the week, and so what you did is you took that coaching aspect and said, look, I've got some films on you. Here's what I want you to fine tune for the next game. So for me, I think it was just an awesome experience. I had a cup of coffee, and I did all of the stuff that gets me up. I listen to my music. I like R&B, so jazzy.